Hello guys, so this one is a bit interesting, right? So we need to calculate the probability of selecting a character or a letter from a given string. Okay, so return the probability rounded off to a two decimal places. Okay, great. We can do that. So A appears three times in the word banana, right? So length of it is 6. So 3 divided by 6. Of course, we know the formula already now, right? So we need something like return, right? Of course it will be divided by the length of the character, right? So that's just going to give us the probability of it, right? And then we need to do round as well, round operation, and we need to give out the value in two decimal places. That's fine, but I just need to find the count, right? So count function, is it global though? I don't think it's a global function, man, because we can do perhaps s.count. Maybe string has a method called count. I'm just going to uh okay, but what was the string that was given, right? So what uh selecting word a from a given string. Okay, so it's always a, is it? Because we don't have two different thing, right? So it's just always probability of a. Okay, so the function name itself is a, so hence a is hard coded. Okay, we get some kind of problem like this sometimes. Let's see. Okay, great. My string knowledge is good. Okay, so it's great. It's working fine, right? It's working fine. Let's just submit the code. Takes a while sometimes. Let's check out the solutions other people have put in. Right. This is other people's solutions. Something similar. Great. Uh, this one is doing something like just looping over the string and then doing it. Same thing, looping over. Mm, okay, something just count and then this doing the same thing, but in a more verbose way. Right. So looping, and then what is it? So I is thing, and then counting it, and then okay, same thing. Basically, not so big magic, same thing. Okay, so that's how other people have done it. We've done it this way. So better, more Pythonic approach. Okay, thank you for your time. Take care.